Royalton / Punta Cana, an autograph collection resort and casino, opened in 2021 in Cap Cana, one of the most exclusive areas in Punta Cana. Here's why that matters for your budget. Cap Cana properties usually charge premium rates, but this resort operates as an all-inclusive, which means you're getting access to a luxury coastal area without the pay-as-you-go pricing that can turn a beach vacation into a financial headache. The resort has a 5-star rating from the Dominican Republic Ministry of Tourism and carries dual branding. It's managed by Royalton Resorts while also belonging to Marriott International's autograph collection. That dual identity is worth understanding because it blends the family-focused, Waterpark-heavy style Royalton is known for with the design standards and loyalty program benefits Marriott guests look for. The property is located on Carretera El Macao, right on a private white sand beach. With a guest score of 8.9 out of 10 from nearly 3,000 verified reviews on Booking.com and a 4 out of 5 rating from over 1,200 TripAdvisor reviewers, it ranks 42nd among 62 all-inclusive hotels in Punta Cana. That puts it right in the middle tier for the area, though it stands out in certain categories, especially staff performance and facilities quality. The room options start with the Junior Suite, which is the standard accommodation. These suites have either a king bed or 2 queens, and each includes a balcony or terrace with views of either the splash park or one of the resort pools. Inside, there's a minibar that gets restocked daily, a smart TV with streaming, and free Wi-Fi that guests rate at 8.5 out of 10 on Booking.com, which means it should handle video calls and work without constant buffering issues. One guest on Booking.com in January 2026 mentioned the rooms were clean, but noted the balcony needed some maintenance, which is the kind of honest detail that helps you know what to expect. The Junior Suite is the entry point, the reliable option designed for couples or small families who plan to spend most of their time outside the room and just want a comfortable, functional place to sleep without extra space they won't use. Move up to the Splash Suite and everything shifts toward families with young children. These suites give you direct access to Splashway Bay, the resort's signature water park. That access isn't just marketing talk. It means you can step from your room's terrace straight into the water park area without crossing the main pool deck or lobby. For parents dealing with nap schedules or kids who want to run back for a snack between slides, that proximity completely changes how your day flows. The suite design is family-friendly, with layouts and furnishings built to handle wet bathing suits, sandy feet, and the general chaos that comes with traveling with kids. The minibar and smart TV are the same as in the Junior Suite, keeping the basic tech and refreshments consistent. A TripAdvisor reviewer in March 2026 said the Splash Park was a hit with kids and called the resort perfect for families, while a Booking.com guest in December 2025 gave the water park and pools a 9.5 out of 10 and used the word fantastic, which is high praise in a market where parents usually temper their excitement. At the top of the room lineup is the Autograph Suite, which adds premium touches that set it apart from the other options. Some configurations include swim-out pool access, so you can slide into the water right from your terrace without walking to a public pool. Luxury linens upgrade the sleeping experience, and there's an espresso machine in the room for morning coffee without needing to head to the buffet. The Autograph Suite is built for guests who want more control over their space, whether that's starting the day with a private espresso or ending it with a late-night swim in relative privacy. It's the choice for couples, honeymooners, or anyone who values quiet mornings and doesn't need the water park access that defines the Splash Suite. The suite reflects the Autograph Collection's focus on individual character and elevated details, even within an all-inclusive setup that can sometimes flatten the guest experience. Dining at Royalton / Punta Cana centers around 4 main restaurants, each with its own schedule that shapes how you'll plan your meals. Splash Grill runs from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, serving as the resort's international buffet and the go-to option when you want variety without needing a reservation. Buffets at all-inclusive resorts often fall into a predictable pattern, and one TripAdvisor guest in February 2026 mentioned that food options got repetitive after a week, which is a fair point for anyone planning a longer stay. The buffet works best when you rotate through it strategically, treating it as a flexible base rather than your only dining option. Another Booking.com reviewer in late February praised the food variety and called the staff super friendly, giving it an 8.8 rating, so experiences clearly vary depending on what you're expecting and how you approach the options. Teppanyaki changes things up with Asian fusion and operates from 6 in the evening until 10 at night. Reservations are recommended, which tells you this place has limited seating and fills up, especially during busy travel weeks. Teppanyaki cooking involves high heat, quick searing, and the kind of tableside show where chefs flip shrimp into their hats and build onion volcanoes that light up with a dramatic flame. It's a style that works really well for families with kids who enjoy the performance, and it delivers proteins with a char and caramelization that buffet steam trays just can't match. The fusion approach means you'll see both traditional Japanese techniques and Caribbean or Latin ingredients, a mix that reflects the resort's location and the culinary flexibility. All-inclusive properties need to keep menus interesting over a week-long stay. Il Capriccio covers Italian food on the same evening schedule, 6 until 10, and also recommends reservations. Italian restaurants at Caribbean resorts can be unpredictable, often relying heavily on red sauce pastas and wood-fired pizzas that play it safe. The quality here depends on whether the kitchen commits to fresh pasta, proper dough fermentation for pizza crusts, and sauces that simmer long enough to develop real flavor. When an Italian spot works, it becomes the reliable dinner choice, the place you come back to when you want something comforting and familiar after a day in the sun. When it doesn't, it's the restaurant you try once out of obligation and then skip. Guest reviews don't call out Il Capriccio specifically, which often means it performs adequately without becoming a memorable highlight, positive or negative. Beach Club Bar operates from 10 in the morning until midnight, serving cocktails and snacks throughout the day and into the evening. This is the spot that handles the flow of a beach day, the cold beer after a swim, the frozen drink at sunset, the late-night rum punch when you're still too energized from the sun to head back to your room. Bars at all-inclusive resorts face a unique challenge. They need to serve hundreds of guests efficiently while keeping drink quality up and avoiding the watered-down, pre-mixed shortcuts that ruin the experience. Booking.com reviews consistently highlight staff friendliness, with a 9.1 rating for staff performance, which suggests bartenders and servers stay attentive and responsive even during busy times. One guest in November 2025 specifically praised the all-inclusive drinks, giving the resort a 5 out of 5 rating, which shows the beverage program meets expectations for variety and quality. The pool area centers on multiple infinity pools and Splashaway Bay, the resort's dedicated water park. Infinity pools create the visual effect of water spilling over the edge into the horizon, a design choice that maximizes ocean views and gives a more elegant look than traditional rectangular pools with visible edges. The water park includes slides for both kids and adults, which is an important detail because many resort water parks lean heavily toward younger children, leaving teens and adults with nothing to do. Booking.com reviewer in December 2025 rated the water park and pools at 9.5 and used the word fantastic, while a TripAdvisor guest in March 2026 said the splash park kept kids busy all day. Another TripAdvisor reviewer in December 2025 called the water slides fun and mentioned that rooms were spacious, connecting the pool experience to overall satisfaction. The facility earns a 9.0 rating for facilities on Booking.com, which puts it in the top tier among all-inclusive resorts in the area. The beach in front of the resort is private white sand with loungers and waiter service, so you can order food and drinks without leaving your chair. Private beach access cuts out the hassle of competing with day visitors or vendors walking the sand, and waiter service turns the beach from a place you visit briefly into somewhere you can settle in for hours. The sand quality and water conditions vary along Punta Cana's coastline, and Cap Cana generally offers calmer, clearer water than some of the more exposed northern beaches. Guest reviews consistently mention the beach positively, with a TripAdvisor reviewer in January 2026 calling the beach stunning and praising staff service. The location score on Booking.com sits at 8.8 and TripAdvisor rates location at 4.5 out of 5, both strong marks that reflect the beach quality and the broader Cap Cana setting. The Royal Spa includes a hydrotherapy circuit, massages, and beauty treatments. Hydrotherapy circuits typically involve a series of hot and cold water experiences, saunas, steam rooms, and plunge pools designed to boost circulation and relax muscles. These circuits work best when you have at least 90 minutes to move through the stations without rushing, and they're especially effective after long flights or days spent in the sun. Massages and beauty treatments usually cost extra even at all-inclusive resorts, so plan your budget accordingly if spa services are part of your trip. The spa earns a 9.0 facilities rating on Booking.com, which suggests the space is well-maintained and the service quality meets guest expectations. Spa experiences at resort properties often depend on booking ahead, especially during high season, so locking in appointments early in your stay helps you avoid disappointment later. The fitness center is described as state-of-the-art and offers classes along with equipment. State-of-the-art in resort fitness usually means cardio machines with entertainment screens, a functional training area with free weights and resistance equipment, and enough space that you're not waiting for machines during busy morning hours. Classes might include yoga, spin, or beach boot camps, and they give structure for guests who find it hard to stick to workout routines on vacation. The gym is part of the 9.0 facilities score, and while no guest reviews specifically mention the fitness center, the lack of complaints suggests it meets basic expectations for travelers who want to stay active. The Waterpark Splashway Bay dominates the resort's family appeal and shows up in guest reviews more often than any other single feature. The park includes slides designed for different age groups and thrill levels, so toddlers, school-age kids, and adults can all find something that matches their comfort level. A Booking.com guest in March 2026 called the Waterpark amazing and said it was a hit with kids, giving it a 9.2 overall rating. TripAdvisor reviewer in March 2026 said the Splash Park kept kids entertained all day and gave the resort a perfect 5 out of 5. Another TripAdvisor guest in December 2025 called the water slides fun and noted spacious rooms, linking the waterpark to overall satisfaction. The waterpark is the resort's main selling point in a crowded Punta Cana market, and it's the reason families pick Royalton Splash over competitors with similar beach access and dining. Cap Cana Marina sits just 1.2 kilometers from the resort, close enough to walk if you're up for it or a quick shuttle or taxi ride if you're not. The marina offers yacht charters, sport fishing trips, and waterfront dining, and it's the starting point for many boat-based activities in the area. If you're planning a fishing trip or want to explore the coastline by catamaran, the marina's proximity means you're not spending an hour in transit before your activity even starts. Juanillo Beach, 2.5 kilometers away, is another Cap Cana beach worth checking out if you want a change of scenery from the resort's private sand. Juanillo tends to be quieter and less developed, with a more natural feel than resort beaches, though you'll give up the waiter service and loungers. Hoyo Azul, a natural sinkhole, sits 4.8 kilometers from the resort and ranks among the most photographed natural spots in the Punta Cana area. The sinkhole features brilliant blue water surrounded by limestone cliffs and lush vegetation, and you can reach it via a short hike through Skate Park, an adventure park 7.3 kilometers from the resort. Skate Park combines the sinkhole visit with zip lines, cave exploration, and cultural exhibits, making it a full-day trip rather than a quick stop. Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park, 5.2 kilometers away, protects a series of freshwater lagoons and offers hiking trails through tropical forest. It's a quieter, more relaxed experience than Skate Park, better for guests who want to see local plants and wildlife without the adrenaline activities. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.